Tres. Good afternoon, Yasser. I'm here again. So today I'm gonna proceed with the second attempt repair. So the last time what we did, that's a section where we did the attempt repair. But before we start with any attempt repair, I would like to show you that you was explain me that all those repair was successfully complete with no damage. So right now I'm here. So they did this repair, and I would like to show. I know when you took a picture from that section, there's not any crease or any damage that you can see, but once you close, as you can see, this is the shingle that they replaced. But take a look this damage that they get when they did the repair, and take a look this crease, the crease that they made when they did the repair, and also take a look this damage that they made. I know when you took a picture from that section like this, there's not any crease that you're gonna see, but when we look for this section, there's all crease and it's all lifted, it's not sealing down. And also is the same problem in that section. So they replaced those two, and there's two crease shingles. I don't know if you're able to see. It's the same problem on that section. So they replace two shingles, but the section where they did the repair, there's the shingles lifted. So that means when they finish the repair with the high winds that we have, those shingles are getting damaged. You see the crease? And also I don't know when they did this repair. I think it's long ago. So today I'm gonna repair on this section. So I will be replacing here's three missing shingles that we got, and also this crease shingles that we got, and I will be replacing complete this. It has to be complete. 1, 2, 3. So as you can see here in this section, there's not any crease, there's not any damage. So I'm gonna proceed with the repair. So I'm gonna start to remove okay, this is all lifted. Alright, so I'm gonna proceed to remove the nails. So I'm gonna do is I'm gonna try to do okay. So I have to remove also this nail that's in this section. Okay, so I removed the shingle that we want to replace it. I know it's kind of like it's gonna rain, but so once we start to removing, we're gonna put it the new shingle. But before we get any rain here, I would like to show you the damage it's getting. So before the repair there was not any damage, but take a look, these crease shingles where that we're getting. All this crease, that we're getting. But I want to show you before we got any more rain. I know it was showing that it's not gonna rain, but take a look at this crease. There's not any crease shingles before the repair. All this crease that we're getting, and still I'm not finishing with the repair. I have to put it back the new shingles that we got. Alright, so I'm gonna put it back the nails. Okay, that's all. Okay, we have to put it in this section. Okay, so I'm almost done putting back the nails. Okay, so these are the shingles that we replaced. These are the new shingles that we're replacing. So as you can see, before the repair, we don't get any crease shingles or any damaged shingles. But take a look at this. So you see the crease that we got? All this crease, before the repair there was not any crease. You see? All the crease that we're getting. And also in this section too, as you can see, all this crease. So as you can see, with this crease and with this crease, when they did the repair, is the same crease that we're getting, and also is the same crease that you can see in that section. See those crease that the shingle has. So if we still follow up doing the repair, let's say, so the first attempt repair we did in that section, so we got more shingles damage. So now once if we do the repair that section, we wanna get more shingles damage. And also it's gonna be same problem this one. We're replacing these shingles, and now we have to replace these shingles. Replacing these shingles will be damaging these shingles. So I'm gonna mark it where's the all crease, because I want to make sure that here's another crease, shingles, crease, and also here. All these are crease shingles. You can see here, all this is crease. And also this is not, it's not sealing down. This is it's gonna be like this. It's not sealing down. If we have high winds again, like all the granules that we're getting, that's because of the repair that we did. So that's why it's getting creased. So at this point, we did 2 times Attemp Repair. We showing you that when they did a repair, I know you say that they finished successfully, but here's the evidence that when they did the repair, they damaged those shingles. And also, as you can see here, there's all the damage that they get is the same problem that they have in that section. At this point, this roof is non-repairable.